All right, we just crushed it with workout time. And there's a fly in here. So if you see me going like this, it's because of that. Just crushed it in the workout. But one of the things that I struggle with that I guarantee you probably do too, and if you don't, tell me in the comments below, but drinking water, getting enough water in. So I'm gonna give you some tips and some fun little things that you can jazz up your water with too if you do not like to drink it. So let's check these ones out right now. So my son and my fam, mostly my son, he started wanting to make like popsicles where you put fruit and everything and get juices and make little popsicles in like so. Okay, I've already eaten a couple, but he'll put little fruit pieces in those. And then to take it one step further though, I think a lot of times people don't think that there's something that they can do to like water. How do you not like water? But some waters taste better than others. Getting water out of the tap water sucks. Getting filtered water can be better, but water is awesome and it's essential for you. Water can help with headaches. I am a migraine sufferer. The days that I don't eat enough proteins and drink enough water are the days that I get a migraine. So I wanted to walk you along some fun that you can have with your water. So every day you can just have water in a plain cup or something like this. I like to use a water bottle that has a straw myself that I can use over and over again. I get these suckers from Simple Modern. I love this company. They even give back. They're so stinking awesome. This is not a plug for them. I might as well. There you go. But anyways, I don't work with them. I just love them. So Simple Modern though, they have different sizes, and I bought this one based off of I can fit this into the cup on the car, so I always have this on the go. But one of the things that you can do, and I know with a straw it gets a little bit harder, but if you drink throughout the day and plain water bothers you, you can take some fruits. A strawberry and mint is so good, and you can just pop some mint in there and throw in some ice and some water. Now some people, they don't like ice. I actually can't drink as much when I have ice, but I will grab a few little ice cubes and plop them in here and let it sit just a little bit. And then there is a really, really awesome water for you. But if you're somebody who wants to not fill up a cup as much as possible, here's a tip that you can do with your waters where the straw is always gonna work. Ice cubes with your fruit in the water. Check how that baby is. So this is actually just to do like mini muffins with. If you don't have an ice tray that you can use different kind of ice trays that you want, or something like so. Let us see. If you let it sit on the countertop a little bit so that it has time to like unfreeze for a sec. Okay, maybe use one of these instead of these ones, but this one I thought would look cuter. Joss. Yes, I did it. Look, it succeeded. Put that baby in there. You're good to go, and you're gonna have your fruit water. Okay, but anyways, we did all of these different flavors. So this one is the cucumber with mint. Okay, so just decide what you want to do. If you're feeling a little lemon, orange, strawberry, watermelon. So whichever flavors that you like, pop those in there. And because they're in cups like this, it's gonna infuse that flavor into it, but then it's not gonna run out of there so quickly. So there you go. If you also wanted though too, and you're worried about it getting stuck in your straw, just put in bigger slices into your water, whatever you want. And then you don't have to worry about it getting into your straw.
Can you squeeze them?
Videographer Mitch just said, what, can you squeeze them in? Can you not squeeze them in? Heck yes, you can squeeze them in. Squeeze that puppy on in there. And you can put the piece in there too because it's already washed and you're good to go. Okay, so I have that sucker for my day. I fill these up. I try to get this filled up at least 4 times. Everybody says you should drink a gallon a day, but I'm gonna tell you this from the girl who did not drink as much as she should from the get-go. If you drink from the get-go a gallon a day, you are going to be peeing every 5 seconds. I'm not being sarcastic. You're going to be going to the bathroom way too much. So if you're trying to have a goal where you drink more, more frequently too, then try and do it in increments so you're just not busting out that gallon in a day. I wanna see if this tastes like anything. Oh, why yes it does. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Especially where I just worked out so hard. That just hold tight. I can't taste the mint in it quite yet, but I can taste the strawberry. And this is truly exactly what I needed. Okay, so how many recipes do I have for you? Oh wait, so many, because you can concoct whatever you want. The sky's the limit even more than you can do here. But if you have one that you really truly like, you should tell me what it is. So I'm gonna show you all you have to do. Okay, take your cutesy little fruits that you want. Okay, put your little flavors. I'm gonna do strawberry and lemon and make like my own lemonade. And then I'm gonna do I'm gonna do lemon and lime. And I'm gonna do orange. I'm not gonna do much for watermelon because I personally don't care for watermelon infused waters. But even if it's hanging out of the thing, it's fine. It's totally okay. Ooh, cucumber and mint. I really like that one. That's the one that all the cool fancy hotels have. Cucumber and mint. People must like it. So we'll do what the fancy hotels do. And so then you're just gonna load them up however you want them. I'll continue to do so. And you should be eating and drinking this stuff anyways. Right? Right. Have stuff already cut up when the kids come home from school. Right? Right. Totally. And then you're gonna fill it up. And you're gonna put them in the freezer. And they're gonna be cute, and your kids are gonna think drinking water is more fun too because they see something more like this. This is the most life hack video you have ever seen in order for you to stay hydrated. All right, so what did we learn today, kids? We learned how to make really cool ice cubes. We also learned if you put this in here when it's all not melted, it's gonna be really hard to take out. But now that it's melted more, look, it just comes on out and you're good to go. So let it sit on the countertop just a second until it's ready to pop on out. And this has seriously only been sitting here like a minute, 2, maybe 3 since I've been talking, and they're good to go now. Okay, I'm gonna be like the best house guest ever. I'm gonna load up everyone's waters. They're gonna be so cute and cuddly, and they're gonna drink their water today. They're feeling it. Ooh, lemon and strawberry.
I want that one.
You want this one?
Yeah.
That's a good one. Let's do 3 in there. Okay. What do we got? Y'all are set. Load this baby up. Oh, should I squeeze some stuff in there? Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good water. Look, girls, there's a water for you. There's a water for you. Here you go, videographer man. And here's a water for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys, to wrap the weirdest video I think I have ever made for you, bless your hearts. Being all serious now though, water really does make an impact in your life. And when you're trying to take control of your life, get on track fitness-wise, water helps with cravings. Like it really, truly does such an amazing job. If you are craving something, go get water. And if you're craving something and you feel like water isn't helping, having something like a strawberry within your water so you get that sweetness flavor is important. Also, you could even check out BCAAs. I'll write below what those are, but that's something in the fitness world that they put into their drinks to give it a little flavor, act a little more natural. But water helps with your complexion, it helps with kidney stones, it helps with your mood swings, it helps tremendously to help you to not get a headache. It helps with back pain that you have, because again, the kidneys, everything, we need to flush out toxins out of your body. There's so many health reasons that you need water in your life. So if you're still not liking water after this video, you better comment below as to why, and I'll see that if I can help you combat that. But I hope this video helped you out. If you have any recipes that you know is something that you like to go with your water, or maybe a little habit that you do with your water, a little life hack that you do to be able to hydrate more, please share it. We want to know. Also, you guys, one thing that I did not, I'll see if I can get it to pull up really quickly. There is a water bottle out there. I'm gonna tag one in the comments below, but it's a water bottle that helps you see on here how it says the times of where to drink the water or where to get at, there's water bottles like that that help you to get through the day in order to get that water in. And this water bottle isn't even a really huge one to intimidate you, because the bigger the bottle, the more weird it is to carry it around and try and drink it. It just is a pain in the butt. It just is. So find something like that that maybe can help you out too. Again, I'm Jocelyn McClellan with Fit Mission Makeup. You can find me on Instagram at jocelyn.mcclellan, and you can find me on Facebook at Fit Mission Makeup. I had to think about it. Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan, where I do lives every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I hope that you love it. I'm gonna be going in more in depth in things other than just hair and makeup. So come have some fun with me, even if I make some really crazy videos. Take care, guys. Bye.